Guys, we're in the beautiful city of Poquoson, Virginia. Look at this. Yeah. We're cleaning out some cardboard. We're getting it done, aren't we? That's what we got. Here we go. Hey guys, we just finished up with this job in Poquoson, Virginia. Lot of cardboard, lots of cardboard. We had to get a little creative, you know, packing it up. The camera died halfway through, but we did clean it up. So, yeah, if you like this video, give it a like. If you got some cardboard and you're in Hampton, Virginia, or Hampton Roads, Poquoson, whatever it is, you give us a call at 757-354-2628.